Shoo, shoo. Hello, children. Look at that. These are birds. I tak mi latają nad głową od rana. Shoo. Dziś nauczymy się o ptakach. Look at this bird. Bird. It is a big bird. Look, it has got 2 wings. Wings. It has got a beak. Beak. It has got eyes. It has got a tail. Do you remember other birds? Pamiętacie inne ptaki? What is it? It is a duck. What is this? It is a hen. And what is this? It is a rooster. And this? It is an owl. Now I have a task for you. A teraz mam dla was zadanie. Wyobraźcie sobie pięknego, kolorowego, tropikalnego ptaka. Namalujcie go, a następnie zróbcie zdjęcie i wrzućcie na Facebook. Bye!